Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be ranking my Temu purchases. So this is going to be part 6. I actually do these types of videos all the time. So if you are new here, I'm going to have my Temu playlist linked down below if you want to catch up on my past ones. But basically, I do a haul video for Temu. I do a get ready with me using all the new makeup, and then we rank everything. So if you want to see how I ranked all these products, just keep on watching. Before we go any further, again, as I mentioned in my other videos, this video is not sponsored, neither are all my other 14 videos or 15 whatever that I filmed about Temu makeup. So I'm just really excited to get on the site. You guys were really excited about all the products that I picked up in this specific order because a lot of them are very much duping higher end products, some of them drugstore products, and I'm really excited to rank them for you guys. So if you want to see how I rank them, let's just keep on watching because this is really interesting. Definitely have a lot of these products on the face today. I just went ahead and filmed a look for today because I'm going to Disneyland, so I did do a greeny kind of vibe using some new makeup from Beauty Creations. So if that video is up already, I'm going to have it linked up below. So we have a total of 7 products in this ranking, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with number 7, which is the mascara. So this is the little minion mascara from She Makeup. I talked about it in my haul video. I used it in my get ready with me. So if you guys watch those videos, you're not going to be surprised to see it at the bottom because this was actually really cute. You know, I was like, oh my god, it's a little minion mascara. It's really adorable. It looked perfect for my lower lashes. So there's a look at that. I have yet to try it on my upper, but for my lower lashes, girl, this is so messy and I'm just not feeling it. So if I don't like it for my lower lashes, you think I'm gonna throw it on my upper? No. Especially not right now. I don't know. Just give me some time to get acquainted with it a little more. But so far, it's really messy. A very like when mascaras are a little too creamy where it transfers everywhere. That's basically what this is. So that's why it ranked at number 7. Not the biggest fan of it. Honestly, I was preferring more of something on the drier side, especially with something or with a mascara wand this tiny. I don't know, like a little. I like the perfect. Who doesn't want this? But the perfect mascara formula for me is something that's nice and creamy, goes on, definitely gives me that color that I want to my lashes, make them dark, but not super creamy where it's like transferring everywhere and it's just a really not a fun vibe when you're doing your makeup, you know. So yeah, this is just wasn't that great. So that's why I ranked at number 7. At 6, we have the actual eyeshadow palette that I purchased for that specific video. This one here is not really any dupe for a higher end product at all. It's just something cute that I saw on the site. So I went ahead and picked up this vertical and horizontal palette and it looks stunning. It's just so cute. It's just a lot of things on Temu are very much like they look cute. It's like very much like something glittery, like hey, look at this, but then once you get it in, you're like, oh, like the magic kind of goes away. So this is cute, you know, packaging vibes is really nice. It's a really nice quality palette. I'm not gonna say it's not because it's actually really adorable and it was gonna look really cute in my decorations, and I'm just gonna kind of display it in my room because it's a really nice packaging. But I don't know, once I opened it, I was kind of like underwhelmed when I first got it. Not to say that the actual shades in here are horrible. I don't know, it's just, I don't know, it was a little underwhelming, but it does come with a variety of colors in here. We get one glitter shade, we get cool tones, we get warm tones. We literally have everything we need in one palette, which I think is so cute. Also does come with a mirror, but I don't find myself being pulled to use this palette again. I did use it in that video and we created a really nice look. It was really cute, but I don't know, I don't find myself wanting to go back and use it anytime soon. So I'm kind of like meh about this eyeshadow palette. And if you didn't see, I don't know if that video is up already, but I did go ahead and rank on my Temu palette. So that video is going to be down below if it's up already. If it's not, girl, there's a lot of new videos coming soon. I think we're on 5. So on number 5, I just went ahead and lumped all the face palettes that I purchased for this haul together because they basically gave me all the same vibe. First off, we have this, which is the Nikita Dragon dupe-ish product, right? So this is an alleged dupe of that brand. Face press powder palette looks like so, and it does come with some bronzers, which honestly both of these are just a little too off for me. This one is like cute and then this one's a little too dark. Blushes are not a whole vibe for me. This is cute, you know, it's like cute vibes but not like super amazing go out and grab it vibes. The highlights are really glittery and kind of like underwhelming. So this palette itself, like yet another one that I don't find myself reaching for. I'm just like you know, I was really excited about it because it is like a dupe-ish kind of product, but actual like products in here are kind of underwhelming. Same thing goes for the Hood Emoji palette, the Bellini palette. This one I'd say is a little it's like each one has its own quality, but it's like one thing that I want to take from the palette. Like I'm not loving the entirety of the palette, that's what I'm saying. So the Bellini palette's really cute. Love the blushes in here, hate the highlights. Again, they're just too glittery. These are a little like, whereas the other ones in the other palette are underwhelming, these are like a little too much for me. So yeah, I kind of want that in between where it's like it shows up but it's not glittery vibes. So yeah, love the blushes, hate the highlights. And then we have the Hood Emoji Cheerleader palette, which is the Pink Squad one, which you guys did see in action in that video. Really love the bronzers in here, really cute. The blushes are cute. Not the biggest fan of this highlight here. Also this one I don't know what to do with. It's just, you know, like certain things you can take from a palette, but I don't know. If I had to recommend one of these three palettes that I'm talking about, I'd say go with this one because it has a variety of shades in here. They also do give you another shade option if you want different types of tones in your palette. So this is really cute. Again, bronzers are really cute, blushes are nice. So the only thing is highlight. I didn't really find anything extraordinary on the highlight front with those face palettes, but again, you know, they're cute. This is the one that I would recommend the most. Secondly, I'd say maybe this one, I don't know, but they're basically all in the same kind of tier for me. And number 4, we have the Fantastic Beauty lip gloss. So this one here is in the shade Fussy. Again, it is an alleged Fenty Beauty dupe, so packaging looks similar, has the FB on the top. It's really cute. I love the packaging, except the words are kind of rubbing off already when I've only used it a handful of times. But I think that this is actually really good. Now, it's not the most amazing lip gloss in the world, which is why I ranked it at 4, because I found myself liking the other products a little more. But this one's actually really cute, and you guys saw it in action in my haul video because I had to try it out in the moment, and also in my get ready with me video. So this is really nice and glossy. It stands out on the lips, girl. It looks amazing. And also the shade itself, Fussy, is actually really cute. It's a nice pinky kind of moment. So if you're looking for a gloss, definitely would recommend you try one of these out. Look at the other shades. It comes in like, I believe in 5 different shades, and it's really cute. It has a giant doe foot applicator, perfect just to throw on real quick to keep in your purse, whatever. Feels really nice, and it's not super goopy or anything, and the color itself is so cute. And number 3, we're finally getting to the products I actually have on my face. So at number 3, we have the Angela Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer, and I actually did use this on my under eyes today, so it is what I have on by itself on my under eyes. This one here is in 140 Honey. I found myself really wanting to reach for this. Now it is a little messy, just like the Maybelline concealer. As you guys know, it does come with that little poof on the top. It's really nice and pigmented, and honestly I'd say it's a nice like light to medium coverage. It's not going to give you anything too crazy, but again, it doesn't look terrible on the under eyes. It's actually really nice. You guys saw it in action in that video as well. So I'm going to give you a little swatchy vibe just so you guys can see the color. So this one here is in Honey, and I think it actually works really well for me and my skin tone. So actually really enjoyed this. So I'm really surprised and excited because I'm actually wanting to use this a lot more. So this is really good. And number 2, we have the setting spray, yet another product that I threw on today as well. Really love the packaging of this one more. I love the mister. It doesn't have a weird smell to it. Unlike my other setting sprays that I've tried from Temu, this is actually my favorite. So really enjoying this. I did go ahead and pick up a pink one, which I will be debuting in my next Temu haul part 7, so stick around for that if you want to watch that. But this is from Air. I find that I like a lot of products from this brand specifically, so I really much enjoyed this. And again, it just feels really nice. I love the mister. I love that it has a little lock to it, and it gives me very much like MAC vibes. So all of these products are going to be linked down below. I don't think I mentioned this, but if you want to shop, girl, these are really good. And lastly, at number 1, we have their blush. So this is from IBCCCNDC, really long name. I believe there are like 2 different buyers on the site that saw the same blush, so definitely look for the one that's the cheapest. I know one of them was going for like $14 on Temu, but then there was one like this one that was like for $2 or whatever, and it's the same product. So definitely be aware of how much you're paying on there, girl, because sometimes they'll try to slip in an expensive product. So this is the On The Go blush. This is a tinted moisture stick, basically just a cream blush. As you can see, it is a Pixie alleged dupe in the shade Shy Pink. I don't know if I had high hopes for this. I thought it was gonna be like whatever, but it's actually really nice and pigmented. Also is what I have underneath my powder blush today. Really cute. Again, I did film this look, so you guys will be seeing that soon, but I also did already use all of these products, so yeah. So there's the shade Shy Pink. I love that it comes in this like deodorant like kind of packaging. I don't know what it is about it. I really like it. And these do come in different shades as well. So I really like this, really nice and pigmented. The way that I like to use it, I take my brush and just like tap it in there, tap it on the face, and it's perfect, girls. So really love that I went with a pink shade, and this is just the most perfect pink shade that they have on the site. But they also do have like a dark like berry shade. They have an orange one as well. So yeah, they have a couple of other shades in this product. So this is actually really good, and that's why I ranked at #1. So those were all the products from this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, the playlist is going to be linked down below. Let me know your thoughts on all these products down below. Have you tried them? Let me know if you've seen any other products on Temu that you want me to try out. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.